Hello guys, so today the main purpose of this video is to show you guys around from within the UK and international students who want to come to University of Sunderland. A lot of students, like when I came to Sunderland, I didn't know about much about the city, and so I thought, as being a final year student of University of Sunderland, which I've completed my final year just now. So at the moment I'm standing at St. Peter's Church. It's a landmark in itself, and it was first built in 672 AD. That's a landmark in itself. So behind this church is the one of the campuses of this University of Sunderland. I'm gonna show you the St. Peter's campus, where I've studied for 3 years and taken my lectures and classes. So the first building you would come across at St. Peter's is the Virtuality Centre, which mainly consists of lecture theatres and the big lecture halls. They do have their own cafeteria inside, which I'm just going to show you in a moment, where you can normally go and grab some coffee or something to eat while studying. So the Virtuality building consists of 3 floors. So what you can do is either you can take stairs to the 3rd floor where most of our lectures used to be, or you can take the lift. So now in front of us is the David Goldman building. That's the place where we have taken most of our lectures. And this is one of the biggest buildings of the university at St. Peter's campus. So massive computer clusters here. Right there on top in front of you is the mechanical, electrical and electronic labs. So for mechanical students, there's another lab available, which I'm just gonna show you in a bit. And these are the rooms or classes where we were most of the time during our time here at Sunderland. So this is one of them. We've been there very often. You're not coming in the video.
Am I coming in the video?
Come on. So this is the main mechanical engineering lab, where some of the students are currently working, and there's a lot of upgrades going on in this class. So, upgrades going on everywhere. So these are some of the offices for current lecturers here. Some doctors and some masters. So now we've just moved on to the 2nd floor where the main labs are situated. But before that, I just want to show you the technical support team, which is right there. It's on the ground floor, and they would provide you with most of the softwares you need throughout the course. They would give away the softwares on the CDs, or they can install it for you if you leave your laptop with them. They are extremely helpful. Any kind of technical support you need, those guys are available from 9 to 5. So now we're just entering the mechanical, electrical and electronics lab. So this year definitely they are upgrading most of the labs. On the right hand side you can see a couple of robots there and the electrical stuff. In the 1st, 2nd and 3rd year we had to do a couple of assignments on these 3 machines, the beam one, gears and the flywheels. Turning around here, we have another part of electrical lab situated here. And this is the material testing machine. So these are the learning labs. So coming out from behind the David Goldman building, in front of us is the David Putman Media Centre. So all the media students have classes and lectures in there, and there is also a radio station inside the university which goes on air from within the university. And in front of us is the Prospect building, which consists of a few of the lecture theatres and the main library at St. Peter's campus, which I'm just going to show you around in a bit. So on the right hand side we have the library, and this area is where I've spent most of the time in the library, researching for my final year project, revising for exams and whatnot. And now we are entering what we call the quiet area of the library. You can collect the books from here, or you can get the books, and if you want to read or do research, they have computers here as well, so you can sit there, or you can bring your laptop or work on the university computers with a beautiful river view on your right side. So coming out of the library again, we're going downstairs. So there we have a couple of more lecture theatres downstairs, and a beautiful view in front. When the sun is out, you don't want to be anywhere except here in Sunderland. The main cafeteria of St. Peter's campus is right here, and at the moment it's closed, but the food here is phenomenal. It's almost evening now, so we are going to the town just to hang around for a bit, and I hope you enjoyed this video. The very next video is for the city campus. That's the main campus of the University of Sunderland, and all the students at some part needs to go to the city campus, to the main gateway building or to the main Murray library, so definitely stay tuned for that. And if you like this video, make sure you like it, you share it and you subscribe. There's a lot more stuff coming about other universities. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat for more quick updates and your questions. Thank you for watching, guys.